It's a 94 Honda Civic 6th generation. It's got the... And we'll go to the front. Now, let's sit inside. It's kind of hard to get into. Such a little car for a big dude like I am, so. Got the, hold on, there it is. Got that. Got the speedometer. Got the RPM. Got all the fuels over there. Got the heat. Got the radio. Got the air conditioners. I'm gonna have to mess with this radio so I can get to work. And I'm gonna probably do that in a little bit. And got it. It's real clean. Probably been drive a few times. So, no, okay, I can do that right now. It's nice and got turn signals. It's an overall nice car. Got 1700 and yeah, I haven't really got any big problems with it. It's pretty good. I'm gonna probably drive it a little bit. It's got the ignition right there. You gotta push it in with one of those types. Got the leave that alone. Alright, and then of course chief over here, got the lights. That turns on the hear that. You gotta have it turned off for it to not do that. Then we got the mirror over here. You got the pop the trunk down here. Alright. Let's go out and look on the inside of the front, and I'll show you the back. Gotta find the latch for it. Hold on. I think that's it. I didn't find it. Hold on. Take me a second. It's a little hard to find this latch for it. Oh, there. I think I found it. No. Yeah. I ain't worried about that right now. I can't. I think it's hard to get open, but pretty nice car. I think. Oh my god, nice sun over there. It's pretty nice out. All right, let's open the back. Hold on. Oh no. Oh, I need the key for the open the back. Oh no. Hold on. Right there. Yeah, from right here you can open the. I think that. There we go. There you go. There we go. Now we can open up the back. There we go. Got some brand new. Got everything. We got those. Got some brake pads. Got a car jack. Got a little got some of these I can put on my car. Rims right here. I'm gonna try to right now actually. Give me a second. Alright. No. Okay. Alright, these things won't work. They won't snap on. I guess they are broken. Something's wrong with them. Alright. Close the back. Make sure it's closed. Nice car. And I'm probably gonna, and that's about it. That's my new car, and I'm gonna have this when I'm 16, have my job and everything, and that's about it.